Welcome back to Beemaster 79. In English, we talk about the future very often without using the word will. Today you'll learn how to use two present tenses, the present simple and the present continuous, to talk about future time. You'll learn exactly when to use each one, how they compare with will and be going to, and the mistakes that learners make most often. Here's the plan. First, the big idea behind future forms in English. Then the present simple for timetables, and the special rule afterwards like when and as soon as. After that, the present continuous for arrangements, a direct comparison of the two, and how they sit next to will and be going to. We'll finish with 6 common mistakes and a short quiz, so keep a pen ready. Let's start with the big idea. English has no future tense. There is no ending you can add to a verb to make it mean future, the way there is for the past. Instead, English gives you a set of forms, and you choose the one that matches how the future event was decided. If a timetable fixed it, use the present simple. If people arranged it, use the present continuous. If it is a decision, an intention, or a prediction, that is where will and be going to come in. So the question to ask yourself is always the same. Who decided this, and how fixed is it? Part 1. The present simple for the future. The form is the easy part. It is just the ordinary present simple, subject plus verb, with an S or an ES in the third person singular. The meaning is what matters. We use it for future events that sit on a timetable, a schedule or a program. These are things fixed by an organization, a railway company, an airline, a school, a cinema. Not by you personally. You cannot change them, so they feel like facts. And notice the verbs that come up again and again. Start, begin, finish, open, close, arrive, leave, depart, take off and land. Listen to 5 examples and notice that the verb looks completely present but the meaning is future.
The train leaves at 6:45 tomorrow morning. Our flight takes off at 9:10 and lands at 11:30. The museum opens at 9 and closes at 5 on Sundays. The new term starts on the 5th of September. What time does the meeting begin tomorrow?
In every one of those sentences, the event is printed on a timetable. Nobody in the conversation decided it, and nobody in the conversation can change it. There is one more place where the present simple carries future meaning, and it catches out almost every learner. After the time words when, as soon as, before, after, until, till, once, and by the time, we use a present tense, not will, even though we are clearly talking about the future.
I'll call you when I arrive. Wait here until the rain stops. As soon as she finishes work, we'll leave. We'll start the meeting after everyone gets here. By the time you read this, I'll be on the plane.
Look carefully at the structure. The main clause can still use will. I'll call, we'll leave, I'll be. It is only the time clause, the part that begins with when or until or as soon as, that has to stay present. 2 wills in one sentence like that is one of the most common errors in written English, so it is well worth drilling. Part 2. The present continuous for the future. The formism is oral plus the ing form of the verb. We use it for fixed personal arrangements, plans you have already made. Somebody has been told, a time has been agreed, a table or a ticket has been booked. The simple test is your diary. If it is written in your diary, use the present continuous. And here is a useful clue. With a real arrangement, you can almost always say when it is, where it is, or who it is with. Here are 5 arrangements. Notice how each one has a time, and very often a person or a place as well.
I'm meeting my tutor at 4 o'clock on Thursday. We're flying to Darno next weekend. She isn't coming to the parties. She's working late. Are you doing anything on Friday evenings? They're getting married in June.
That question, are you doing anything on Friday evening, is the natural way to ask about somebody's plans in English. If you ask, what do you do on Friday evening, you are asking about a habit, not about a plan. Now let's put the 2 forms side by side because the difference between them is not about time. Both of them talk about the future. The difference is about who fixed the event. The present simple is impersonal. A company, a school, or a program decided it, and you cannot change it. The present continuous is personal. You and somebody else agreed it, and in principle you could still cancel it. Listen to this pair.
The film starts at 8. We're seeing a film at 8.
Same evening, same time, 2 different tenses. The first one is the cinema's program. The second one is our arrangement. Very often both appear in the same conversation, and that is completely normal. It really helps to see all 4 future forms together. The present simple, a timetable or a schedule, fixed and impersonal. The class ends at 5. The present continuous, a personal arrangement that has already been agreed. I'm seeing the dentist at 5. Be going to, an intention you decided earlier, or a prediction based on evidence you can actually see. I'm going to study medicine. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain. And will, a decision made at the moment of speaking, an offer, a promise, or a general prediction. That's the phone. I'll get it. Notice that as you move down the list, the event becomes less fixed and more personal. Now the mistakes. These are the 3 I see most often. Number 1, 2 wills in 1 sentence. After when, we keep the present simple, so it is, I'll call you when I arrive. Number 2, using the present simple for a personal plan. I meet my friends tonight sounds like a habit or a timetable. Because it is an arrangement, say, I'm meeting my friends tonight. And number 3 is the opposite error. The film is starting at 8. The cinema program is a timetable, so the present simple is the right choice. The film starts at 8. Three more. Number 4, state verbs. Know, be, like, want, need, and understand do not normally take the continuous, so for a future state we use will. I'll know the answer tomorrow. Number 5, asking about plans. What do you do this weekend is a question about a routine. To ask about somebody's arrangements, say, what are you doing this weekend? And number 6, a repeated, regular schedule. The words every day tell you it is a fixed timetable, so the present simple is correct. The shop opens at 9 every day. Time to practice. Put the verb in brackets into the present simple or the present continuous. I'll read the 5 sentences once, then pause the video and write your answers.
Well, the conference blank start on Monday and blank finish on Wednesday. 2. I can't come at 3. I blank see the doctor. 3. Text me as soon as you blank land. 4. What time blank the last bus blank leave? Phases. We have dinner with my parents on Saturday.
Pause the video now. Here are the answers. 1. The conference starts on Monday and finishes on Wednesday. A conference program is a timetable. 2. I'm seeing the doctor. That is an appointment you have already made, so it is an arrangement. 3. Text me as soon as you land. Present simple after as soon as. Never as soon as you will land. 4. What time does the last bus leave? A bus timetable, and notice the question form with does. And 5. We're having dinner with my parents on Saturday. An arrangement with other people. So how many did you get right? Let's recap. English has no future tense, so you choose the form that matches the situation. The present simple covers timetables, schedules, and programs, and it is also the form we use after when, as soon as, until, before, after, and once. The present continuous covers fixed personal arrangements. The question that solves most problems is this: did a timetable fix this, or did a person? And remember that state verbs like no, be, and want do not take the continuous. Here is one short rule to take away. If it is in a printed program, use the simple. If it is in your diary, use the continuous. Your turn. The fastest way to fix a tense in your own English is to use it about your own life. So write 3 sentences about this week, 1 event from a timetable using the present simple, and 2 arrangements you have already made using the present continuous. Put them in the comments and I'll read them. If this lesson helps you, please like the video and subscribe to BMaster79 and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.